So washing machine got flooded. I think it's probably because of Max. He's in the game we got from Max. But look at this.
That mop.
Mop? Where?
I'm in the mop bucket.
Oh, okay. Look. Wet or dry?
The mop be in.
Wet or dry?
Dry. I don't want it no water. You know I got water already in it.
Because we have freaking foot in for the washing machine.
Who had it in the water?
I don't know.
Move back. I don't need to steal that. Move.
And look at this. There's water everywhere. It's coming from the washing machine. And this is where Max sleeps so he can sleep. But now it's all messed up so he can sleep there no more. He tried to come there to like hide from the water. He can't even move it. So we gotta let it drain out on the patio. He's playing out there in the leaves for some reason. And it's pure cleaning water. That is pure cleaning water. I wonder why it wouldn't just be normal water. Because we don't have any. I don't think. Were we washing anything?
Yeah, I was washing. It's talking about the wash machine.
Oh.
The hose came out the wash machine.
Oh, so that's what those wet clothes were?
What wet clothes?
The wet clothes that I touched.
Well, no, the wet clothes is in the wash machine. It's just on the floor. Now just go ahead on.
No, it's all white in there. Yeah, white fish. We got the white vision to see the white in the washing machine. Let's go see what Max doing, because that flood doesn't seem like it's going to be going anytime soon. Hey, Maxie. What's going on, buddy? Hey, buddy. Buddy. What's up, buddy? Right there. Scoping out Max and Dixon's far in his natural habitat. Now I'm about to discover him. Hey, stop right there. Oh, stop right there. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. This is crazy, man. Freaking crazy. Oh, God. Oh, God. He's on me. He's my leg. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, God. Okay. Okay. It is cold out here, okay? Just to let you know. And I am not wearing anything to protect me. Just watch him. This is not what happened. I don't think that's good. Gotcha. Oh, nice, Maxie. Your nose is wet. My bad. I thought Max was crying, but he was right here. I mean, I come down here, I look, and then Mama like, you better go back up there and put you on some shoes. Okay, it's flooding down here. I try to see what's going on. Tell me why the... Can I just put a jacket on then? Because that's really why I need a jacket on. Because I'm cold. From the waist up. We'll see you guys in a little bit. I gotta go put a jacket on. And bam, I'm in my jacket. And it's time to go. Let's roll out with Max to see what he's doing again. Because we haven't seen the mascot in a long time. So, we changed that today because of the flood. See the flood? The flood.
Right there. What house phone is?
House phone? There it is. Here you go. Are we gonna have to call like some management or something to go clean this up? Because we're not cleaning this up on our own. See, we do this to just make sure if we can do it on our own, but we can. I'm not gonna get sick. I have a perfectly thin jacket on. Wait, over there. I'm coming. And he's pooping. That's what he was doing all the way over there. He's pooping. Hey, come on. Clear up. Look at that. Oh, and he got worse with it. Oh, God. No. I got so soon. Let's go with this kick for a second, though. You see that poop? Where he always poops and it blends in with the grass. I mean. Right around here. Now, where is it? I don't know why I'm trying to find poop. But I'm like legit right now. I'm pretty sure I saw a freaking one big white worm in that. I'm guaranteed there was a white worm in that. You wanna play like that? Let's play. Whopper flopper. Also, Max is a boxador. Boxador is a type of dog that looks exactly like that. But that's a puppy. That's like 2 months old, so. There's a white puppy who's 1 day old and 2 days old. He looks like a puppy. Okay. So 1 day old, he looks like a firstborn puppy. 10 days old, then he looks like he's a full adult puppy. I don't know why you can't see anything. Focus. I just can't focus on other things. I'm gonna use a tactic. No phone tactic. Okay, I got you. Ow! He tagged my leg. He so got me. He's still chasing me. Okay. He tagged my leg. Oh God! Oh God! He tagged my leg. I'm bleeding. God, this ain't good. Oh God! That dog. Seeking help. Shoulder attack. Take that. Stand that. I don't think I can do this anymore. Freaking dog. Freaking dog. Oh God. Oh God. Please God.